Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer placement. So, short love read. Okay, pagdating sa person mo, tingnan natin kung anong meron. And, kung may mga tanong, private reading sa ating mga items, yung protection sa evil eye, yung love bracelet, yung granter, and pangalan niyan, si cord cutting. Yan, kung may mga tanong, message na lang po, ha. Okay, so kailangan natin tong mabilis lamang. Oo. Okay, so Cancer, who is this person? Anong meron sa kanya? Cancer, who is this? Okay, the King of Pentacles. Could be a Capricorn. Yes. Some of them, pwedeng business owner, a boss maybe, guarded, grounded, serious. Anong meron dito sa King of Pentacles? Has a lot of responsibilities. Lot of Pentacles, do they drop you? Did they drop you? Kasi pinapakita rito parang dinrap ka. Do they have options? Kasi may two. Pwedeng hindi kayo pareho ng status ng taong to. May mga differences kayo nitong taong to. Don't know, status, lifestyle. Okay? Parang meron kang hinihintay sa kanya, Cancer. You're waiting kung anong meron to invest, maybe. Naghihintay ka na mag-invest siya sa'yo, I think. So, anong kailangan nung malaman sa situation? So, walang pinapakita rito kung totally wala na talaga or magkasama pa. Pero, ang nakuha ko dito, they dropped you. So, maybe may chance na naiwan ka na niya or iniwanan ka na niya. Nakipag-break sa'yo, like that. Ayun yung mga signs. So, na pwedeng siya to. Itong taong to. Tingnan natin anong kailangan malaman sa sitwasyon, mga Cancer yan. The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Lakas ng earth sign, ha. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, a missed opportunity for some of you. Temperance in reversed. Cancer. Ito ba yung tao na yes, gusto mo pero hindi mo makuha? Kasi hindi pwede. May mga dahilan, kanya-kanya po. Okay? Mahirap layuan, mahirap alisan, mahirap kalimutan. Ramdam nyo or maybe ramdam mo yung miss opportunity. Yeah. Lalo na yun nga, may nangyari ng separation. So, siguro magkahiwalay kayo nitong taong to. Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reversed. Sana walang mga legal issue. Knight of Swords. Kulang pa rin. So, siguro sa nangyaring separation, ikaw itong ang daming patlang pa rin na hindi nga nabibigang kasagutan or kalinawan. Yeah. Gusto mo tong taong to, no? Kaso nga lang, hindi pwede. Hindi kayo nagkatuluyan. Siguro. Tingnan natin. What is their emotion right now? Hindi mo raw kailangang hintayin to or ipilit. If ever. Anong emotion niya for you right now? Queen of Cups, I love you. They love you. The Chariot in reverse. Ang bait niya, no? Oo, mabait siya. A provider. Kung ano man ang gender niya, they're a provider. This is your energy, the Chariot in the reversed. Hindi pa, some of you, hindi pa rin nawawala yung love mo para sa kanya. Ganun rin siya pagdating sa'yo. There's drama. Conflicts maybe. Sabihin nating burdens sa ngayon. Yeah. Gusto pa rin na may pagbabalikan ng iba. Let's see. What's their next action? Nakita natin na they still love you. Hindi pa nakaka-move on from you. Kung ito man ay mayroong mga ipinursigi na ibang bagay, and ang nakikita ko dito, puro career or kaperahan nila in general ang pinagpupursigihan ngayon. Hindi pa siya nakaka-move on eh. What is their next action? To go back. To return. Eight of Cups inversed. Babalikan ka. Yun ang gusto nila siguro. What's with the Eight of Cups inversed? The Six of Wands. To get your attention. Yeah, the Fool. The Three of Cups. O, diba? So, meron ditong magtatangka na makipagbalikan, mga Cancerian. Judgment is here in reversed. Pero I think this is like, hindi na repeat. They want a new chapter with you. Ayaw na nila ng repeat. Ayaw na nila nung mga nakita na noon. So, kung may mga cycle pa rin kayo ngayon, hanggang ngayon ayaw niya noon, hindi siya babalik. Gusto nito pag bumalik siya, bago na. Parang ganyan. May mga nangyari ng improvement or progress whatsoever. Yeah. They're mature, I think. They are. Okay. So, tingnan natin anong outcome / advice for you. The Four of Swords. So, sinasabi na maging ready. Yeah, maging ready. I don't know why. Why ready? Judgment in reverse, yeah. Pag-aalis, Judgment in reverse. Pag-aalis ng mga cycle. Yun ang kailangan. Huwag mong hihintayin itong taong to if ever you're waiting for them. Mas stuck ka. Wheel of Fortune is in the reversed. So, Cancer, ang payo, ang gabay dito, kailangan mong may mga mangyari na sa buhay mo na bago. Hindi mo kailangang i-stuck yung sarili mo daw sa mga cycle na kung saan man parang doon ka lang comfortable. Okay? Kailangan mong gumawa ng bago pagdating sa sarili. Yeah, kasi ganun sila. Kung babalik to, nasa same frequency kayo if ever. Kung magbabago ka ng mga dapat baguhin, para rin naman sa'yo. Okay? Hindi to para sa kanya lang, para din yun sa'yo. Same lang, both of you. Okay? They're stalking, some of them, or maybe you're stalking them. Alisin ang mga insecurities. Maybe you're insecure pagdating sa kanya. Because some of them pwedeng mas nakakaangat or mas nakakagawa ng mas kesa sa'yo. That's specific. Hindi yun para sa lahat. I know, iba sa inyo may makaka-relate dun. So, wag ka may insecure, wag kang bababa ang tingin mo kasi sila ganito na, ganito, ganyan, mayroon nang ginagawa sa buhay whatsoever. Di ikaw, ganun din ang gawin mo para hindi ka may insecure. Kasi kapag nandiyan yung mga insecurities, ang hirap kalaban yan. Sa totoo lang, ang hirap kalaban yan. Hindi rin naman natin pwedeng tanggapin kung anong meron lang sa atin. Di po ba? Walang mangyayari, real talk. Yeah. Para sa akin pagdating sa buhay mo, ay okay na ako sa ganito. No, hindi totoo yun. Lalo na kung ikinukumpara mo madalas yung sarili mo sa ibang tao. Insecurities yun. Okay? So, there. Tanggalin daw muna yung mga cycle. Tanggalin yung mga, sabihin natin, parang issues, no? Na meron kayo before nitong taong to. Tanggalin nyo lahat. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs are through Pisces. Okay. Aries, they want a new beginning. They want another chance. Taurus, they want to see you. They want to hear from you. Gemini, acceptance ang nandito. And some of them, pwedeng ito ay nagsusumigaw ng closure. Cancer, victory. Or some of them, this is like energy ng attraction. Attention, some of them. Victory, they want victory. So, Leo, they want to take a risk. No, they want na magkaroon uli ng pagbabalikan sa inyong dalawa. Virgo, they're stalking you. May nakita ko, gusto ko rin balikan ito ni Virgo. Libra, they're open pagdating sa'yo. Scorpio, ending of a no contact. So, you'll hear from them. You'll hear from this Scorpio. Sagittarius, there's this third party involvement, or maybe if there's this separation, may chance na they're still wanting na magkaroon pa rin ng another chance. So, Capricorn, a missed opportunity. Maybe you're feeling a missed opportunity with them, or maybe they are. Okay? So, Aqua, friend zone, or I think pwedeng merong napepending na reconciliation with this Aqua. Pisces, they have trust issues. Yeah, they have trust issues. They can't trust you, or maybe you can't trust these Pisces. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Cancer placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Thank you. Bye!